Hello, very good day to you all. And today, Agri-Biz International YouTube channel is going to talk with you about new concept. It is going on in China. It is agrivoltaics concept and green leaf transport for drone technology. So actually, agrivoltaics concept is one of new concept used in China. So what agrivoltaics concept is how to integrate food production and energy productions together because China they are planning to be a carbon neutral in 2060. So for that they are going to utilize the existing land for the energy productions because they don't want to go for the new lands for energy production. So maximum usage they are going to take from the existing land. So therefore they have selected T lands for energy production. So this is a T Agri Voltaics project in China. So why actually they are selecting the tea? The tea is kind of crops that is loving for the shade environment and they can tolerate up to some level in low shade conditions. So the solar panels they work as artificial shade tree within the plantations. And also in China it is there are thousands of hectares of tea lands available. Therefore, in implementing in agrivoltaics concept is one of best for the energy productions from the green sources from in the China. So there are positive and negative impacts available going for this kind of project in agriculture sector. So if you look at the positive side, so this is we don't want to implement plant the shade trees and the solar panel is work as artificial shade trees, and the thing is it can help to the face the drought conditions, and in the severe drought that solar panel give maximum yield, and also it will control the severity of the sunlight come inside to the plantations. And also because of that the loss of carbon percentage due to the huge sunlight is also a positive impact. The carbon will not lose because of the sunlight because it can control with the solar panel. And the huge land acreage available in China, that's kind of good investments. Go with the existing land, not going with the new lands. And these are the positive sides. They can control moisture, they can reduce the evaporation loss, and also it will help to the control microorganisms within the root system because the heat is not rise and the condition will be good for the micro ingredients inside the root system, near the root system. So there are negative sides also because the initial cost is comparatively very high, this kind of investments, and the yield reduction or decline yield is kindly we can expect it because of the reductions of sunlight, and the mechanization is a little difficult this type of land arrangements, and because of this solar infrastructure we can't go for mechanization, and the complex maintenance behavior, so it is difficult to maintain as normal way. And also the some other technologies cannot be implemented because of this solar panel. So this is Chinese agrivoltaics concept because they have integrated food productions and energy production in existing land without expanding land usage in China. So this is a very nice image. They have been using the drone technologies for green leaf transport. Within 1 or 2 minutes, the harvest can be transported to the factory. This is also have helped them to reduce the huge amount of the post-harvest losses available in Chinese tea plantation. So with that, we would like to conclude our video today about agrivoltaics concept in China.